In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by copying and pasting images, and it's going to take you nothing less than 5 minutes to go about it. So just make sure you watch this video to the end and follow the step-by-step guide on how you can go about it. So the first thing you do is to go to any browser, but just Google Chrome Internet Explorer. As you can see on my screen, this is my Google Chrome, and you type in this keyword known as freeimages.com. Now you're going to copy and paste images. That means don't stress yourself going to snap pictures. Don't stress yourself by posting your own pictures online. So what you just do, dial in this keyword known as freeimages.com, and allow it to load. This is freeimages.com, and you allow it to open. Now freeimages.com is a platform that gives access to free images, photos, vectors, clip arts, icons, PSD, and more. And as you can see on the screen, you can see a lot of stocks images that you want for your social media account, you want for your ads, you want anyone you want, any stock image that you want is available on this platform. As you can see, you can get free pictures, template. Okay, let's accept the cookies. You can get free pictures, template, mockups, and graphic resources as a graphic designer if you're a graphic designer. But for the purpose of this video, it's not for graphics design, just to show you how you can make money off this platform just by copying and pasting images. Before we continue, my name is Basi, a medical student in the University of Calabar. My channel talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop a video like this, and so that you can also make grow. And in today's video, just like I've said, I'm going to show you step-by-step way in which you can earn money just by copying and pasting images. So like I said, the first platform you go to is your browser, and then this keyword on freeimages.com. So now this is freeimages.com. You can see that there are a lot of images that are available on this platform. This is just as if you're talking about Pixabay, you're talking about Pinterest, you're also talking about iStock. But this platform images, are one thing I love about them is that they are very unique. Now in order not to delay time, you can decide to go through the platform by yourself. You dial in these keywords on this search button. You dial in these keywords known as abstract art. Now, one thing about abstract art is that these are arts that actually has no meaning on its own. You understand? It is not left for you as the viewer to appreciate the art and give it their own meaning. That means an abstract art, a particular abstract art, can have up to 10 meaning depending on who is viewing the art. So you can see these are abstract arts. You can see they have no peculiar meaning on its own. They just left for you now to give it a meaning from your own perspective. So this is abstract art. You can decide to scroll down, and there are a lot of abstract art. You can see abstract painting. You can decide to check this abstract painting. Let's get to see something. So there are a lot of it. So these are the abstract art. So now what you have to do now is that you just have to click on this particular image. Let's assume you want to download this particular image. So you scroll down, what you now do is to click on download image. So click on this download image and you download the image. So this is the image we are downloading, the abstract art images. We are downloading it directly to our browser. It is downloading, as you can see here. If you have to click on these details now, that is the open. This image is going to open and you will see it in your device. So let's allow it to open. So now this is the image that has been downloaded on our phone. So now what you have to do again is that you can decide to go to any photo editor app and you get to magnify this image. There are a lot of photo editor apps. We'll just take your phone and dial in any photo editor app and make sure you glow the image and make it to be very, very beautiful. And after that, you also save it and keep it. You head on to Google again and dial in this keyword known as Etsy. Then this keyword known as Etsy. please make sure you click on the red subscribe button so that you get updates when I drop videos like this, and so that you can also motivate me to continue making videos. So now this is Etsy, and you click here. Etsy is a global online marketplace where people gather together to buy, to sell, and to get anything they want. You can probably buy anything you want to buy on Etsy, and you can decide to sell anything you want to sell also on Etsy. You can also decide to get their mobile app, but for the purpose of this video you are not wasting time to go and get their mobile app. So now this is Etsy. As you can see, this is a marketplace, and you can see a lot of products that are also available on this marketplace. Now let's search for something. Remember the photo we downloaded was known as abstract art. Let's check for abstract art, whether people are buying abstract art on this platform. Abstract art, and you allow it to load. So let's see whether people are buying abstract art on this platform that is known as Etsy. So let's allow it to load and open. So this is the abstract art that has opened now. As you can see, there are a lot of abstract art, and now the important thing is that when you check here, you see here, this is an abstract art. You can see how much it is being sold for. It is sold for $2,339. Imagine this second one is being sold for $510. This one is being sold for $25, and you can see how many reviews they are having on the art. This one has 366 reviews. This one has 37 reviews. This other one has also 25. Okay, the one of $25 is a quick download. That means you just download it on the platform. You can see the one of this $510 just has 3 others that are left. You can see this one is $9.9 with a 618 reviews, which you can just download on this platform. Now, to show you the beautiful thing that you can just decide to punch your calculator. Let me show you something. You can just decide to punch your calculator. Imagine, look at this is 559 times 618. You can see this is $345,462 that this person has just made just by copying and pasting these pictures on Etsy. Now that is just it. What you just have to do, as you can see, these are a lot of abstract art and abstract paintings that are available on this platform. Now what you just have to do on this platform is that you scroll up, scroll up, and you click here where you can see this human being icon. So you click there and you register on this platform. As you can see here, it says sign in, where you'll be able to register on Etsy. Now when you register on Etsy, what you just need to register on Etsy is either with your Google account, your Facebook account, or with your Apple account. Okay, let's click on register. Let me just show you something. What you just need to register on this platform is quite easy. It's either you can register with your Google account, it's either you can register with your Apple account. As you can see here, this is your email address, your first name, and your password, or your Google account, just like I've said. For now, you as a total beginner, you might not know how you can set up your Etsy account. So what I will advise you to do is to open a new tab. And dial in this prompt, how to set up an Etsy account. And you allow it to load. Now this will guide you on how you'll be able to set up your Etsy account. Upload that abstract art images that we downloaded the first time from freeimage.com. Upload it on that platform. Set up everything that you need to set up, and when anytime someone places an order, you'll be able to make money at a go. You are free to put in any price of the product you want. You are free to put in any price as far as you know or you trust in your work and you are sure of making sales. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, share this video so your friends will also come here and get value, and so that I will feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. And until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.